are you today? Good? Yeah, I hope you are doing fine today. So, we are going to learn a new unit, which is Unit 10. The title is Around the World. Now, let's read the story of the DST Club and see what happened to them. While reading, you can also listen to the audio that I will play. Let's listen.
Listening 88. Listen and read. Why is the DST Club at the beach?
At the seaside.
Right, everybody, we're here to see the sand sculpture competition. You can go and look around, but I want everyone to meet at 6 o'clock at this sculpture of a car.
They're so amazing! Look at the elephant! This one's by a French artist. It says, Le Cheval. That means horse. Can you speak French, Tom? That's a discovery. Yes, I'm bilingual. English and French are both official languages in Canada. Do you speak any other languages, Tom? I learned some German at school, but I'm not fluent. When do we have to meet everyone? Finn said he wanted everyone to meet at 6 o'clock. Look! What's that? There's something in the water over there. I think it's a shark! A shark? Come on, let's go closer and look.
One, start.
Okay, so that's the story of the DST Club at the beach. Now, please answer the questions followed in your book. So you can take a look on part 3, Please read again the dialogue and then circle the correct answer. Okay, if you're done, I want you to take a look to the next page on page 99. So, on page 99, you will learn some new vocabulary in this unit. Now, I want you to listen and repeat for each vocabulary.
Listening 89. Listen and repeat.
Accent. Bilingual. Dialect. Fluent. Mother tongue. Multilingual. Native speaker. Official language.
Okay, that's the words. Now take a look to the definitions of each word. The first one is accent. So accent is a way of pronouncing a language that is connected with the place you come from. How many accents do you know? Yeah, there are, the most familiar ones are British accent and American accent, right? Other than that, we have like Singaporean accent, or even us, maybe we can say that we have Indonesian accent, right? Okay, so that's accent. Bilingual. Bilingual means able to speak two languages perfectly. So only two languages. For example, I'm bilingual. I can speak Indonesian or Bahasa and English. Right, and then dialect. Dialect is a form of language that is spoken in a part of a country. So if you know, in Britain, there are some dialects because Britain are divided into several like sub-countries there. So that's dialect. And then fluent. Fluent means able to speak a language very well and easily. As Indonesian, we are fluent in Bahasa, right? Okay, mother tongue. Mother tongue is the first language that we learned. For example, for us as Indonesian, our mother tongue is definitely Bahasa or Indonesian language, right? Multilingual means able to speak many languages, more than 2. For example, if I'm multilingual, I can speak Bahasa, English, Arabic, French, Spanish. You can call me multilingual. Right, native speaker is a person who speaks a language as their first language and hasn't learned it as a foreign language. We are the native speaker of Bahasa, right? Official language means the language that is used most for communication in the country. Now, I'll ask you, what's the official language of our country? Of course, it's Bahasa. What's the official language in UK, for example? It's English. Okay then. So that's about the vocabulary. Now let's take a look to the word formation part. Here in this unit, you learn about the suffix. Suffix means ending. So ending of -ry. So you put ending -ry for the verb here. So you make noun from a verb by adding -ry. For example, cook. Cook is, cook. I cook some food, right? But when I add -ry, it becomes cookery. Cookery means a noun. It's the art of cooking activity. Deliver. Deliver is an action. Someone delivers the package to your house. But when you add -ry, it becomes delivery. It becomes noun. Delivery order, and so on. And then discover. It's a verb. Plus -ry, it becomes discovery. And the last one, bake. I baked the cake. Plus -ry, it becomes bakery, a place where you can buy cake or bread and so on. So that's about the suffix of -ry. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me by WhatsApp or put your comments down below. That's it for our lesson today. For your task, I want you to do your class book on page 98 to 99. While for the workbook, wait for a while. Okay. For the workbook, it's on page 84 to 85. Yes, it's true. So that's for your task today. Don't forget. And please submit your answer because I will check it. Thank you for listening to me. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.